Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change permalink in WordPress. Why would you want to know how to change permalink in WordPress? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to change permalink in WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to change permalink in WordPress. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing permalink in WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will change permalink in WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to settings in the left menu and then click on permalink. Now in this screen you can change your permalink settings. I have selected post name link after my website name. It will show my post name, but you can select any post. In fact, you can create a custom structure. And then in the end, click on save changes in the bottom of this page. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change permalink in WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.